everyone, welcome back to our channel. My name is Tanavi and I am a food vlogger. I also do travel, beauty and gaming videos. So if you guys are interested, do check those videos out as well. Today we are going to make an egg curry recipe which can also be called as an egg omelette curry, as I would like to call. This is a different type of egg curry recipe, so watch it till the end. Before that, if you guys are new to our channel, please hit the subscribe button and click on the bell icon to get notified every time we upload a new video. Also, do follow me on Instagram. I have attached the link in the description box below. So let's get started. To make egg curry, you will need puree of 3 tomatoes, 2 roughly sliced onions, 5 to 6 green chilies, 6 eggs, half coconut roughly chopped, 1 bowl of fresh coriander, 2 cinnamon sticks, 1 big cardamom, 2 small cardamoms, 5 to 6 cloves, 5 to 6 peppercorns, 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste. Now heat 2 tablespoons of oil in a pan and add roughly sliced onions. Saute them for 2 minutes. Then add the roughly chopped coconuts and fry them until they are brown. Stir it at regular intervals. Now cool the onion and coconut and then make a fine paste in the grinder. Now heat a vessel and add 2 tablespoons of oil, 2 tablespoons of ghee, then add 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds, all the spices and slit green chilies as per your spice level. Saute this for 2 minutes and then add the tomato puree. Mix it well with all the spices for 2 minutes and then add 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste, and then cover the lid and cook it for 15 minutes on a medium flame. Add 2 teaspoons of red chili powder, half teaspoon of turmeric, 1/4 teaspoon of hing, 1 teaspoon of coriander powder. Mix all the dry spices together. Add the grounded onion and coconut paste. Add half cup of water and cook it on a low flame for 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, adjust the consistency of the gravy. I have added 1/4 cup of water, 1 tablespoon of garam masala and sprinkle some freshly chopped coriander. Mix it all together, and when you start seeing small boils in your gravy, means your gravy is ready and it's now time to add the eggs. Add one egg into the gravy one at a time. Season the eggs by sprinkling some red chili powder and salt. And garnish it with coriander. Cover the lid and let it cook for 15 minutes on a low flame. After 15 minutes, garnish the curry with coriander leaves, and there you have it. Egg curry is ready to be served. Enjoy! If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like button and leave us a feedback in the comment section below. And if you are new to our channel, please hit the subscribe button and click on the bell icon to get notified every time we upload a new video. Bye bye.